Good morning. This is Arnie Waters here at Waters Capital in Boston. We told you a couple of weeks ago that the Japanese crisis would continue for a while. We also suspected that its resolution was not going to have much of an effect on the world at large because Japan has lost much of its standing as a world economic leader, even though it has an enormously powerful economy. Part of the reason that we're saying this so affirmatively now is that we are very interested in the uranium markets. Uranium has held firm. Of course, we all know that uranium is a contract market rather than a commodity market. So people are actually paying money for uranium at certain prices. It's trading about $60 a pound versus $66 a pound. What we found significant was that the Russian company bought Mantra, the Australian operator in Tanzania, for $1.16 billion. And this was about 2 or 3 months ago. And the deal just closed, and it closed for $1.02 billion. A slight adjustment, but we're seeing that, again, worldwide demand for uranium is going to continue to grow apace. There may be some choppy moments in here for uranium stocks, but we think that if you acquire some uranium stocks at these kind of price levels, it's going to be a very, very profitable trade for you. We're also continuing to encourage you to buy gold, and there will be extensive. We'll be returning to the rare earth theme in a couple of days, but we found it interesting that a couple of senators, including Charles Schumer, the senator from New York, have encouraged or have filed legislation, I should say, that prevents the Chinese from doing mining in this country to the extent that they continue to embargo and minimize their exports of rare earths. So this is Arnie Waters. Aim for the ice flows, not the open water.